Welcome to the 2-Minute Tech. In this episode, we'll install a Downflow Economizer in the Renaissance Non-DDC commercial platform. The Economizer kit includes the damper assembly, hood sections, enthalpy and temperature sensors, the Honeywell Jade Economizer controller, and wiring harness. We will cover the configuration of the Jade controller in another video. Remove the air filter access panels and lower cover. Remove the return access panel. Lift and set the Economizer damper assembly into the cabinet. Attach the left and right side hood panels using 4 screws on each side. Mount the outdoor air enthalpy sensor to the damper housing using the provided screws. A label indicates the correct location for the sensor. Connect the cable with the purple and white striped wire to the plug on the enthalpy sensor. Install the hood divider panel between the 2 side panels using 3 screws on each side. Install the angled rain cap across the top of the Economizer, securing with 1 screw on each side. Using the lower air filter access panel, previously removed, set it on top of the hood sides and slide it up under the rain cap. Secure with screws at the top edge only. Install the fresh air intake filters into the opening of the hood and attach the upper filter support rail to the bottom edge of the hood panel and secure with screws. Locate the Economizer wiring harness. Unplug the 3-wire jumper plug. Connect the 12-pin male Molex plug to the 12-pin female Molex connector on top of the Economizer damper assembly. At the side of the Economizer damper assembly, connect the 3-wire jumper plug to the 12-pin male Molex connector located next to the motorized actuator. Remove the blower access cover so the mixed air temperature sensor can be installed. On the wiring harness near the top left-hand side of the blower compartment, locate the free 2-pin white Molex connector with black wires. Plug this connector into the temperature sensor. Secure the temperature sensor to the wiring harness using a cable tie. Remove the control panel access cover. The Honeywell Jade Economizer controller will mount on the left-hand side of the control panel. Using the provided screws, attach the controller to the panel. Attach the wire harness to the controller. The 6-pin plug with the blue, gray, green, red, and purple wires connects to the connector marked with blue on the upper right side of the control. The 6-pin plug with the 2 orange, 2 yellow, brown, and red wires connects to the connector marked with gray on the lower right side. The 2-pin plug with black wires connects to the connector marked with orange and MAT at the upper left side of the controller. The 2-pin plug with purple wires connects to the connector marked with black and S bus. The green ground wire with the ring terminal gets connected to the back of the control box with the provided screw. At the main control board, locate and disconnect the 15-pin Molex connector for the Economizer. Using the new wiring harness, plug the 15-pin male Molex connector into the female connector on the main control board. Connect the 15-pin female connector to the 15-pin male connector that was removed from the control board. Using cable ties, secure the new wiring harness to the existing cables across the top of the control panel. The installation of the Economizer is now complete. See a follow-up video for programming the Honeywell Jade Economizer controller and Economizer commissioning. This concludes this episode of the 2-Minute Tech.